Kodonje mago mag somo ni jonyuol mani kod nyithindo e grade mar 6 okwa mondo tii kod kinde manomedgi kod migawo mar somo mondo giyier sikunde mag junior sekondar mowinjore kod nyithindgi. Ma oyang kod jatend migawo mar somo George Magoha manoloso e kinde rango gedo mag klese mag CBC e sikunde nyiri ma Nile Road, Buore, Nairobi.
Some parents don't follow the guideline. You find the child selects Kenya High School, and like that. So, and they don't select anything else. For those children in private primary schools, which are excellent, we would want to encourage the children, the parents, to keep them there for the next 3 years, so that the mad rush to the top schools in the country is not there. If you know that you have no money to pay for feeding and boarding, choose any day school. And the government of the Republic of Kenya, currently led by Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, His Excellency, will ensure that you have your rights there. Every child is protected.